Hey y'all. So, if you do not know, one of my well, not even one, my absolute favorite generator to use in order to create movement in my avatars or photos is Hailuo. Hailuo AI video is the right here. That is the website address. Now, if you don't know that, that means you're not in my AI avatar lab. Shame on you. So I got on yesterday because I was creating some stuff, and I noticed that they have a new Hailuo AI agent right here, a new creative experience. Guess what? It is Hailuo's version of Google Gemini's Nano Banana or Google Gemini's 2.5 Flash. And we're going to look at it real quick. Granted, I've done it once, literally just once, just to see what it was because I want to make sure I was correct at what I was reading. So I've already done one. So now we're going to do one together. So if you come, I said come. If you are on the home page, you can do one of two things. You can click on the banner that's right here, or you can go over to agent over here on the left side. So we're going to click on this. What the heck? It looks like it's taking me to Twitter. No. Let's go over here. So here we go. It says a new creative experience from idea to visual. Enjoy 50 free images. Members unlock up to 500 daily. I am a member, so I'm standard 100 free images per day. Okay. All right. So it ends, if you didn't see it, October 9th is when it ends for you all to enjoy 50 free images. So I suggest you go in, do as many as you can up to October 9th, and then you're done. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is the same thing we did when we tried out Nano Banana. So I'm going to grab two photos real quick. Let's grab, trying to find one of me full length that we can use. No. Hold on, y'all. Let's just grab. All right, let's grab this one. All right, so we're going to get that. And then if you're not aware, you can go to Pinterest and find outfit inspirations. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to do that. We're going to grab a cute outfit, even though I do have some saved, but it might take me a minute to find it. Why do I have a new window? Forget it. Don't even worry about it, because that just made me mad, because it just opened a whole new window. All right, let's find. Only reason I'm doing it, I didn't want to do it this way, is because I have so many photos. Okay, let me find one that I have for. All right, let's do this one. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing like we did in Nano Banana. Take the outfit from photo 2 and place it on the woman in photo 1. Do not change the ratio of the photo and be sure to show the entire outfit, including the heels. I don't know if this is going to be a good one because I'm holding coffee in one hand. We'll see. All right. So it also says, dang it, you can go back and look at it. But it says something that it would also generate video. So I want to play with that, but I don't want to show you guys if I'm not entirely sure. All right. So here we go. It says, got it. I'm already on it for you. Take the outfit shown in the second photo and put it on the woman in the first photo. Show the entire outfit, including the heels, and keep the photos original proportions. See, I love that it repeats back what it's going to be doing. So that way you know if it understands exactly what you're doing. Because I just had so many issues with Google's Gemini and Nano Banana that it just annoys me so much. So I actually don't even use Nano Banana in Gemini. I use it in, I think I've been in FAL. Yeah, I think I've been in FAL.ai. I think I'm in there when I use it. Because you can use it in other on other platforms. Okay, so it is creating. See, I like how it's just telling us everything that's going on. Okay, it didn't even put on the whole. What the hell? It's crazy how stuff happens when I want to show y'all. It doesn't do right. But when I don't show y'all, everything works out perfectly. I have to show y'all what I created the first time. What? You have not. You did not add the entire outfit to the woman in the photo. Try again. That's weird. What? It's saying that it did it. You did it, boo. You did not. What? That's so weird. It gave the bag, which there's no way she's even holding that bag. Well, me. And just the skirt. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, see. That's crazy because what I did, I'm going to go back and show y'all once this pops up. I did another. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. I don't understand. Why is it when I want to show y'all something, it never does right? Okay, we're going to get out of here. And we're going to go back. So this is the project that I did before. I gave it this. Maybe it was too much in the picture or something. I don't know. So right here, this was the picture that I did. Ain't that cute? And then I gave it this outfit. Cute. And I told it the same thing. Put it on. Put the outfit from the second photo onto the woman in the first photo. So it broke it down. And then it gave me this. It was perfect. One thing is that I can't see her heels. I can't see the feet. Which I don't know why they continuously change and cut off feet, because if you all remember my last video with Nano Banana with Gemini, it did the exact same thing. So, but either way, this was good. It did it immediately. So I don't know what the problem is. Oh, wait, look. Is that the right outfit? I feel like that's not it. It kept the belt. That's what it is. It was bang. Let me see how this dress looks. Oh, okay, I can't click on it that way. It doesn't look right. It doesn't look right. The scarf doesn't look like it's really tied around my neck. It left the belt. The bag is just sitting there. I'm going to see what I do. This looks horrible. The scarf does not look like it is tied around her neck properly. She is not holding a handbag. It is floating in the air. The outfit photo does not show a belt, so that needs to be removed. Let's see what it says. I wonder if it has something to do with the fact that I'm trying not to change the ratio. Are those the right shoes? No. She supposed to have on heels. The hell? She should also have on the heels from the outfit photo, not those ugly flat shoes. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I knew that had something to do with it. Oh, there we go. Better. If I'm loud, I'm so sorry, y'all. Y'all know I'm a loud person. Okay, that's so much better. My face, though, well, that looks so weird. Did the face always look like that? If y'all hear my cat, I'm sorry. My cat gets on my nerves. My kids bully me into getting a cat. My kids are bullies. Okay, yeah, that was a face. Okay, I was about to say. Let's go Bizak. Where'd it go? All right, that's better. Much better. So, as you see, we had to play with it a little bit. I'm wondering if it would change this up, because I hate this in the background, because you can tell there's obvious AI because it's just a weirdly misspelled word. I wonder if it would change that. Okay. Keep everything the same, but change the neon red sign to say coffee. Sign in the background. Another thing I don't like is how this is the main part we're seeing instead of this being the main part. Like, I would rather the chat be here and then these photos be over here. I don't like how they did that. Because it just looks weird to me, especially since I can't like click on. Oop, there we go. Sort of. I just need to remove that. But that's not bad. It's not too bad. I would keep that. It has a weird loop under the first F. Can you remove that? Let's just see. Let's just play with it, y'all. Let's just play with it. I hope I'm still recording because it looks like I'm not. There it is. Much better. Now we're going to download this and we're done. That's great. Oh, it wanted to change it to make sure it's exactly 3:4 with the ratio with the feet, which is fine. So we'll see what that does. And I'll download that one too. But as you all see, it can be hit or miss. Like with any, it's not saying. Look at that. Oh my God. You made this photo extremely blurry. Do not regenerate. Yeah, the quality is horrible. The more it edited it, the more the quality went down. Yeah, look at that. Interesting. All right, so I'm gonna get this one though because I can just change this font. I can change this myself. If you're in my lab, then you already know how I can change this right here myself without using an image generator or anything. Did I download this? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. So yeah, I just wanted you all to see what Hailuo has added. If you do not use Hailuo, I highly recommend it. Free version is okay, but if you are someone like me who generates a lot of stuff, especially for clients like I do, I would suggest getting a paid version. It is amazing. I do have some things in the lab where I show you all and tell you all like different tips on how to use it. It has updated since then, so I may end up having to do a new one. All right, so thank you all for tuning in. Bye.